These 5 countries will pay you to move there. Imagine receiving incentives to relocate to a vibrant city, a tranquil countryside, or a historic village. Around the world, several countries are rolling out innovative initiatives to attract new residents, boost their economies, address depopulation, and create a better future for their citizens. These programs provide unique opportunities for individuals seeking a fresh start in a new environment. From Japan's cultural heartlands to Italy's serene villages, and Chile's entrepreneurial hubs to Ireland's attractive islands, these countries have a unique offer for you. While these offers aren't purely financial, they include valuable perks to encourage relocation and community engagement. If you're ready for a fresh start with those incredible perks, explore these 5 countries that will pay you to move there. 5. Italy. Ololai is a rural village in Sardinia, Italy. It offers prospective residents a chance to live amidst stunning Mediterranean scenery and attractive landscapes while helping to grow its dwindling population. Located in Sardinia, a Mediterranean island, this initiative offers affordable homes to those dreaming of a more balanced lifestyle outside their home country. Applicants must purchase a property in the village for €1, a symbolic price, and renovate it within 3 years to preserve the town's architectural charm and cultural heritage. Therefore, applicants must prove they have the financial means to complete the renovation within the given timeframe. Although the €1 houses are the main attraction, other incentives such as tax incentives for new residents, rich local traditions, pristine beaches, and the region's low cost of living add to its overall appeal. This opportunity is ideal for retirees, remote workers, families looking for affordable relocation options, and adventurous individuals craving a close-knit community. Interested applicants can choose from various housing options, ranging from the €1 properties that need renovation to more expensive move-in-ready homes for as much as €100,000. Qualified nomads are guaranteed temporary housing and support through every step of the relocation journey, such as navigating necessary bureaucracy and finding contractors to give them a seamless relocation experience. Over the years, remote workers have taken advantage of this offer and its enticing incentives to relocate to rural areas, provided they contribute to the local community. 4. Japan. The Japanese government established the Ministry of Internal Affairs and Communication with a mission to address the depopulation issue affecting its rural areas. In a strategic move to address this, the ministry launched the Regional Revitalization Corps, an initiative aimed at attracting qualified individuals from across the world. The primary goal is to breathe new life into the rural areas and increase their population by 10,000 people by 2026. Successful applicants to the program are encouraged to relocate to rural areas for at least a year and receive an annual stipend of around 3 million yen, which is about $19,000 in addition to accommodation, work permits, and other benefits. Proficiency in Japanese is a vital requirement for applicants to ensure efficient communication with local residents and smooth integration into the community. Physical fitness is a key criterion. Applicants must be physically fit and capable of engaging in community activities such as tourism promotion, agriculture, and small business development that will enable the region to reach its population revitalization goal. In addition to the financial incentive, successful applicants will be eligible for long-term residency benefits. As rural residents, they can also enjoy nature, colorful traditional festivals, and a fulfilling lifestyle that contrasts with urban living. The program offers a unique opportunity for personal and professional growth, allowing new settlers to contribute to the country's efforts. It is ideal for adventurous individuals, digital professionals, entrepreneurs, and environmental enthusiasts who desire to have a change of environment. 3. Ireland, Our Living Islands Initiative. If you've been contemplating relocating to a remote island and reinventing your life, Ireland is giving you the chance to make your dream a reality. In 2023, the country launched Our Living Islands, an initiative aimed at revitalizing and preserving the communities in its rural islands. It's a 10-year policy designed to promote the country's economic and social development while repopulating its sparsely populated offshore islands such as Bear Island or Inismioin. Through the policy, Potential settlers are offered incentives to relocate to and help rejuvenate its scores of sparsely populated offshore communities. Forbes reports that aspiring applicants are permitted to purchase pre-1993 properties that have been unoccupied for at least 2 years. They can access up to €84,000 in grants exclusively for house renovations, thereby restoring the increasing number of abandoned properties on the offshore islands. Qualified applicants can choose from several islands such as Clare Island, a hiker's paradise with sandy beaches and 160 residents, and Arranmore off the County Donegal coast and along the wild Atlantic Way. Beer Island is another quiet island popular with cyclists, walkers, plant lovers, and bird watchers, a great place for interested applicants. These islands are unreachable by bridges and may be isolated by tides. The status quo may change through the government's 10-year strategy to create thriving communities and diversify the island's economies, making the islands more appealing to potential settlers and creating more career opportunities for them. 2. Chile. Chile's startup. Chile program is a globally recognized initiative aimed at fostering entrepreneurship and innovation. The Accelerator program was launched in 2010 to turn Santiago, the country's capital, into a global tech hub. The program is designed to empower founders and their startups from Chile and generate global impact irrespective of their development stage. Applicants are required to propose a viable startup project or business idea that will contribute to the region's economy. Depending on the business or project's viability, you may get a 1-year work visa and earn up to $100,000 equity-free grant to boost your business. Although the program is specifically designed for tech-driven solutions, players in other industries are encouraged to indicate interest provided they are willing to establish their business in the country for at least 6 months. Successful applicants will receive a monetary incentive in addition to access to shared workspaces, a vast entrepreneurial network, and mentorship opportunities in addition to the monetary incentive. This program is ideal for tech innovators, startup founders seeking mentorship and funding, and aspiring entrepreneurs who can use these incentives to promote their businesses. Over the years, over 3,000 startups representing founders from 85 countries have joined the program, one of the world's largest entrepreneurial communities embracing cultural diversity. You can join its network of over 6,000 alumni while enjoying the benefits of relocating to Chile. 1. Spain. The Spanish government invites tech professionals and digital nomads to Extremadura, a remote region bordering Portugal. The government launched this program in August 2024, offering 200 eligible nomads about €15,000 to relocate to the region for a minimum of 2 years and help boost its economy. The grants are designed to help these expatriates acquire arable land, available housing, and everything else they need to facilitate their relocation. The Extremadura government created this program as a part of its ongoing Live in Ambras initiative designed to address the region's depopulation challenge. The government explained that it is one of the areas where loss of services and population are challenging the region's growth. Prospective residents must meet the requirements, which include settling in one of the rural villages, contributing to the local economy through farming, or setting up a business. For ease of communication and seamless integration, fluency in Spanish is required. The region offers irresistible incentives such as tax benefits, financial aid, and grants for agricultural projects and startups. Extremadura offers a high quality of life, with scenic landscapes, a low cost of living, and strong government support. Extremadura is the country's second-largest wine producer, and its freshwater coastlines surrounded by beautiful beaches are second to none. If you have a soft spot for ancient history, medieval ruins, and beautiful Moorish architecture, await you to give you a memorable experience. The seamless application process allows applicants to submit their applications from the convenience of their offices or homes via the Extremadura General Electronic Access Point. You may consider this region if you are a nature enthusiast, an entrepreneur, or are seeking a rich lifestyle without the hustle and bustle of the city. Moving abroad is a life-changing and exciting adventure, and these 5 countries make it easier with incredible incentives. Please, let's have your opinion on these offers and share this video. Thank you for watching this video. Please don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell.